My name is Mark van Iterson. I'm the Global Head of Design at Heineken. After Industrial Design Engineering in Delft, I started working in a brand design packaging design agency, and Heineken was one of our clients. So I worked for the Heineken company from that side of the table for quite a long time, 13 years altogether, and then moved to Heineken to be responsible for Heineken design in the company. So as the global head of design, my responsibility is to oversee basically everything visual of the Heineken brand. So that means packaging is very central, merchandise, brand, logo elements, style elements. So developing it and making sure that in all countries around the world people implement it and use that in the correct way. What's really special about Heineken is that design innovation is in the DNA of the company. You might not expect it. You might expect it from furniture, car, fashion brands, but a beer brand that never changes its recipe since over a century, that's been always the same. Then designing the brand, innovating around the brand and creating the experience around it is of huge importance to keep it engaging and interesting and develop added value. Still, industrial design engineering for me is a perfect basis for my job. I'm designing and responsible for design every day and almost every moment of the day. So the understanding of a creative process, but also the technicalities, understanding how a mold works and how you have to get something out, or is still super useful. Industrial design engineering is the perfect studies for what I'm doing. For me, the key benefit of industrial design, of an industrial designer, is that you create the future. I mean, and that's basically it. For the rest, you need finance people, production people, marketing people, but a good designer invents a new proposition and is able to develop it and until the moment it gets to market. I think you, as a student, do best if you find your passion within the broad scope of industrial design. If you live it 24/7, I'm convinced you come up with more breakthrough solutions than if you just see it as a sort of 9-to-5 job. I think the future of industrial design engineering is extremely bright. I think, as I explained, creative people will lead the concepts of the future. They will sort of develop the propositions of the future. So I think more and more companies will see the value and will recognize the added value of industrial designers.